This video is brought to you from One Agency Far North. 1506 Inland Road on the Karikari Peninsula. Perched above Tokerau Beach on the shores of Darkness Bay, this beautifully renovated 3-bedroom home offers sweeping coastal views and an easy, relaxed lifestyle. Located on a flat, easily accessible 805 square metre section with double garage. A generous wraparound deck lets you entertain outdoors, watch the ever-changing ocean, or simply unwind with the sea breeze. Step inside to sun-filled living spaces with open-plan living, dining and kitchen opening onto the entertainment deck. The modern kitchen with granite benchtops and centre counter sets the scene for effortless beachside living. Currently a successful Airbnb and holiday home for the owners, this property is perfect for income generation, a holiday retreat, or your own coastal escape. Fully furnished and move-in ready, the 3 bedrooms, 2 double and 1 single, along with the hallway, feature polished wooden floors. There are 2 modern bathrooms, one incorporating the laundry and one conveniently located off the main living area. Recent upgrades include insulation, coloursteel roof, windows, wiring, plumbing, and a freshly painted cedar exterior, making this beach house stylish, low maintenance, and ready to enjoy. 1506 Inland Road on the Karikari Peninsula, where stunning views meet modern comfort. And it's only 3 minutes to the local sandy Tokerau Beach. To view, contact me, Leonie, One Agency, Far North.